A huge question I get from family, friends, and random people I meet is, how do I know if my dentist is good or not? Or how do I find a good dentist? Okay, so this is a very controversial subject in a sense because everyone is different and we all know that you can't please everyone, right? You can only do the best you can. So this video will focus on the standard of care and making sure that when you're looking for a good dentist, you are making sure that they are practicing under the standard of care, which includes guidelines regarding ethics, infection control, and other standards involved in your dental treatment. So here are some things to look for when looking for a good dentist. When you're looking for a dentist, you're generally looking for a general dentist or a family dentist. It's very similar to a doctor being a general practitioner or a family doctor. If you were to need any specialty procedures such as a root canal, your dentist should be able to inform you if they do any of these procedures in office or which procedures they would refer out to a specialty dentist. If you're curious to learn more all about the different dental specialties, endodontist, orthodontist, all the... But either way, both are valid options because some dentists went through extra schooling to be able to do some specialty procedures in their office. And some prefer not to because they prefer to focus on general cavity fillings and crowns. Just know that you should always ask which procedures your dentist does because then you'll know who will be working on you if you ever need extensive work. Remember that you are forming a partnership with your dentist, and if you're looking for a good dentist, you want to make sure you're looking for someone that you could count on for a long-term routine relationship. This means you should never wait until a dental emergency to see a dentist. I like the analogy of it's like getting an oil change on your car. If you are routinely getting your car checked and you trust your mechanic, you are less likely to have any surprises. Having said that, one last thing to look for in your dentist, and this might be a personal preference, but I believe you should find someone who informs you of what can be done on your teeth and what should be done on your teeth. An example of what should be done is the dentist tells you you have a cavity decay and you need a filling. And an example for what can be done is like you have one crooked tooth and we could fix it with braces if you want. In my opinion, you should always be able to clearly understand what the options are for your teeth. It's always up to you what you want to do, but they should tell you all your options and of course encourage you if it's something that might be detrimental to your teeth or your health. I hope this makes sense. I feel that everyone deserves to receive the standard of care, which includes, in my opinion, being aware of the options you have to fix your teeth. In all, not every dental office is perfect, like life. Even the best dental offices and dentists and professionals can have some hiccups, right? It's life. But you should be aware and you should feel comfortable at your dental office. Well, as comfortable as you can at the dentist, right? But as long as you have a background knowledge of the standard of care in dentistry, then you'll be able to better trust your instincts in an educated way. Lastly, keeping in mind everything I just said, here are 3 places you can find a good dentist. 1, a great place to start the search is on the Find a Local Dentist map. 2, another great way to search is to ask your trusted family and friends. Referrals often work out great because if you trust, say, your sister's opinion on her dentist and she highly respects this person, chances are you will too. 3, if you can't afford a dental office at this time, call and schedule an appointment at the closest accredited dental school or accredited dental hygiene school near you. You will receive quality care for a low price, but just keep in mind that the appointment times are often longer than a general appointment time. Another thing about finances, something I hear often is people going to a dentist they don't like because their old dentist that they liked no longer take their insurance. However, look into that and take time to investigate your insurance. Just so you know, sometimes insurance plans can say out of network, but sometimes it only means like a 10% difference, and that 10% difference might be worth it in the quality of care. That's not always the case, but I've seen it happen, so it's worth asking your insurance company for a breakdown of your in-network benefits versus your out-of-network benefits. It's worth looking into before you leave a dentist you trust. In conclusion, always trust your instincts. If a dentist seems shady, leave. If the office seems friendly but the instruments don't seem like they're being properly cleaned, leave. Basic infection control and moral and ethics standards are of utmost importance when it comes to your health. I hope this video helped you. I truly feel like this was an opportunity for me to give you real tips when choosing a dentist, and I hope you got something out of it.